Hey guys, happy 4th. We're gonna be doing a review of all the fireworks. Let's go. So first we're gonna be just doing here's no poppers left, so I might have to do okay, so tonight we're gonna be doing a show. If you can't hear me, it's because of that. Let me turn it off. Okay, so it's off. Okay, so we got 7 mortar wraps. Okay, and then we have 40 shells, Excalibur, a neon 5-inch neon super shells, and then we have neon Viper shells. So yeah, grand finale, second to grand finale. Yeah, and then I'm gonna just be lining these off originally. I have hiccups right now, so sorry. I got no ab. I might not even post this because it's probably boring. So make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you're having a good 4th of July. Okay? And this is all the firecrackers I lit off. So make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment.